Welcome to the Veterinary Marketing Podcast, where it's all about helping your veterinary practice attract, engage, and retain clients. Broadcasting a new podcast every Monday from sunny Southern California, here's your host, Brandon Bashirs.
Hey there, everybody. Welcome to episode number 218 and a half of the Veterinary Marketing Podcast. Hope you're having a wonderful day. In today's episode, we're going to talk about a really practical tip that you need to be doing that you probably forget about. And it's one of the biggest problems that I see that is like the easiest, lowest hanging fruit to go after. And it's just a really good reminder. So before we begin, I want to mention a few things. First, if you haven't done so already, subscribe in iTunes, Google Play, Spotify, wherever you get your podcast from. And be sure to head on over to the Veterinary Marketing Nerds Facebook group. We are wrapping up a 10-week workshop on Monday. So if you have not gotten into that workshop yet, go register for it. You can still access the content free, and it is really, I think it's really good. So it's really, really good info that's practical that you're going to be able to use to benefit your practice right away. I'd also like to mention that this episode is being sponsored by two websites by Brad Haven. We have newvetequipment.com and usedvetequipment.com. If you're looking to buy or sell anything related to used vet equipment, head on over to usedvetequipment.com. For over 8 years now, usedvetequipment.com has been helping vets do just that, buy and sell used equipment. You can save money when you buy used and everything from cages, kennels, pumps, x-ray equipment, lasers, ultrasounds, dental equipment, surgery equipment, lab equipment from Abaxis, iDesk, and Heska, tables, tubs, and sinks. If you have anything you're looking to sell, you can go on to usedvetequipment.com, where they bring the buyer and seller together. If you're also looking for new veterinary equipment with amazing warranties, be sure to check out newvetequipment.com, where they show you the price up front on everything from digital x-ray equipment, dental x-ray equipment, ultrasound equipment, LED surgery lighting, surgery tables, full-size autoclaves. When you go to newvetequipment.com, you're going to clearly see the price on every item for sale, and you'll also be able to check out the warranty so that you can buy without regret. At newvetequipment.com, they show you the price and give you a great warranty. All right, let's jump into today's episode. So one of the easiest ways to pick up fruit that is so low-hanging, it's actually fallen on the ground and it's spoiling, is to go through your website on a regular basis, not just your website, but your social channels, and take a look at all of your calls to action. And I think you should do this probably at least twice a year. And I would set a reminder for yourself on your calendar, on your phone, just to go through and make sure that the lead forms that you have on your site, that the calls to action are correct, that the phone numbers are correct, that the emails are correct, that anywhere that a contact can be made, you have a system in place to capture that contact and to make sure that it gets into the right hands so that it's followed up with. I just have been having personal experiences with websites lately, and I just started to think how much opportunity was wasted because contact forms go into a black hole and they're never seen again, right? And so making sure that you have everything set up is just, it's pretty simple. You can do it and check all of your socials, anywhere that you're putting content out, and making sure that it is indeed getting funneled to the right place so that you're not missing anything. When somebody's trying to contact you or reach out to you, that is the highest probably potential client that you have, right? They're asking for something from you. And if you're not able to respond just because you don't know where it's going, you're just throwing money away. And so it's really, really important that you check and make sure. So here's your reminder to check. Be sure to set up reminders on your calendar or tell Siri, remind me in 6 months to check my website. And it'll automatically do that for you. But just a quick nudge for you. And this goes for me too. I got to check all my websites, make sure everything is good, make sure I'm not missing out on anything, because don't want to be missing out. So hope this was helpful. Be sure to check out that workshop. Again, you can access it free now, but it will be going away soon. So if you haven't checked it out yet, go do so. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.